Welcome. In 2026, YouTube will have changed completely. What worked before will no longer be enough.
The competition is no longer just with other content creators, but with artificial intelligence and algorithms that understand emotions before words.
The real question is, how does a new or struggling channel grow in this crowded field? The answer starts with balancing artificial intelligence with a human touch.
Use AI for analysis and trend prediction, but make the voice, story, and opinion completely human.
Audiences in 2026 will instantly recognize artificial content, and trust is key to subscriptions. Second, hybrid content. Shorts for discovery and reach. Longer videos for building depth and loyalty. And live streaming for building a real community. A channel that relies on only one type of content won't grow. Third, the algorithm sees and hears.
The thumbnail, tone of voice, and body language must match the title's promise.
Any misleading information will result in an immediate viewer exit. Target the viewer's psychological intent, not just keywords. Fourth, think globally. Multilingual dubbing opens up global markets with minimal effort. Strong Arabic content can be watched by the entire world.
Fifth and most importantly, build a community, not just numbers. 1,000 engaged subscribers are better than 100,000 inactive ones. Make your channel an interactive space, respond to comments, involve your audience in decisions, and create a sense of belonging.
Technically,
today, quality means a strong story and clear sound, not expensive equipment.
Polished realism trumps artificiality. Finally, let the data guide you.
Monitor viewer retention, analyze exit points, and continuously improve your content.
Growth in 2026 will be the result of smart optimization, not luck. In short, success on YouTube today equals technology plus humanity plus community. Don't just be a content creator. Be a leader. Start now, because the future waits for no one.